Okay. So, hello Lalita.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. And please let me know that what is your name and what is your college name, right?
My name is Lalita Sawale. My college name GH Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pune. I am in BTech second year.
Okay, you're
Hmm.
second year student. Very nice
Yes,
attempt कि
ma'am.
आप इंटरव्यू के लिए मतलब कि you are ready to give the interview. That is very nice. So my first question is,
Thank you.
how we use data structures in real life?
In real life, we use data structure. Uh,
Yes.
a software engineer can use data structure cues like memory management, process scheduling.
Yes.
Queue is used for many applications of linear data structure in real time also. Phone central system also you can use queue, ma'am, for
If you're
holding the
comfortable in Hindi,
customers.
if you're comfortable in Hindi, you can say in Hindi also, right? लाइक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर को
Okay,
हम
ma'am.
रियल लाइफ में कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि अभी जो आपने एप्लीकेशंस बताए हैं वो मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट है, प्रोसेस शेड्यूलिंग है, बिल्कुल सही है, बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट मच रियल. जैसे कि अगर कोई स्टूडेंट बिगनिंग में डेटा स्ट्रक्चर को पढ़ता है तो उसके माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन उठता है कि हम उसको रियल लाइफ में कहाँ यूज़ करते होंगे. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैं स्टैक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की बात करूँ तो स्टैक को हम जो प्लेट्स होती हैं रखते हैं, वन बाय वन प्लेट्स जो होती हैं, शादियों वगैरह में जाते हैं, या
Yes,
फिर
ma'am.
क्यू डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में क्या होता है कि हम कोई शॉप में अगर जाते हैं कोई चीज़ खरीदने के लिए तो जो पर्सन आगे खड़ा
Sure.
होगा उसको पहले मिलेगा. तो दैट इज़ रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो, है ना. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल इन इंटरनल ब्राउज़र्स जो होती हैं वहाँ पे फॉरवर्ड एंड बैक बटन होता है. तो जो बैक बटन और फॉरवर्ड बटन इन दोनों का जो एप्लीकेशन है और जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है वो भी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के अंडर ही आता है. वो भी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का एक रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन है. जब आप वेब ब्राउज़र पे जाते हो तो एक फॉरवर्ड बटन होता है जिसमें कि आप किसी लिंक को क्लिक करते हो तो आगे चले जाते हो, है ना. बैक बटन होता है तो आप पीछे चले जाते हो. तो ये सारी जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का एक रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन है ना. तो आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर बहुत सही था, वेरी गुड. एंड टेक्निकल वाइज ऐसे क्वेश्चन गेट एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं. मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट एंड प्रोसेस शेड्यूलिंग ये दोनों ही डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के एप्लीकेशन है. नाउ कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर.
Linear data structure means the data structure results in sequential manner
Yes, yes.
or in list manner, ordered manner, that uh, called a linear data structure,
Okay,
like
very good,
linear
very good.
linked list, array, stack, queue.
ओके, ग्रेट. मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वैसे यही होने वाला था कि गिव मी एनी 5 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. एनी 5 एग्जांपल्स.
Array, stack, queue, uh, linked list,
यस.
linear data structure. There are many types of queue and array, like ma'am.
हाँ, बट हैश टेबल इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. यस. कैन वी यूज लिंक्ड लिस्ट एज अ नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर.
Yes, you we can use, ma'am.
Okay, so then why it is known as linear data structure? Why linked list is preferred to be a linear data structure?
Because uh, it refers to next node.
Very good,
They
very good,
go in sequential order.
very good, very good. And in a linear data structure, there is single level or multiple level.
Single level, multiple level.
It means that if you want some data, then you can get data in one go, or you have to visit the multiple levels in order to get one data.
In some data structure, we get single go or and we get multiple
No.
go.
Uh,
In like array, we can get only one single go for accessing index name only, ma'am.
yes, yes, that is random access. Random access is allowed in array only, but in linked list we have sequential access. But I'm asking you about the level. Like single level or multiple level? In linear data structure we have single level or multiple level. Like
No idea.
think in array आपके पास एलिमेंट्स होते हैं कॉन्टिग्यूअस फैशन में, एक ही लेवल में होते हैं, है ना. लिंक लिस्ट में भी एक ही लेवल
Yes.
में डेटा होता है, बट ट्री को ही आप देखो, ट्री डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में मल्टीपल लेवल्स होते हैं. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि जो लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो सिंगल लेवल होता है, एंड जो नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो मल्टीपल लेवल होता है, जिसमें कि नॉन लीनियर में
Okay,
ट्री
ma'am.
और ग्राफ आते हैं, है ना. So always it is single level in linear data structure. And the next question is, uh, yes, hash table. As you have not said about hash table, but I want to ask you, hash table is a linear data structure or non-linear data structure, or it can be both?
It can be both, man, by implementing it. Depends on implementation.
Yes, that's great, that's great. Now tell me, to implement back function in internal browser, to implement back function, ओके, इन इंटरनल ब्राउज़र, जो भी ब्राउज़र अब गूगल क्रोम यूज़ करते हैं तो होता है ना कि प्रीवियस पेज में जाना है तो बैक फंक्शन पे चले जाओ. तो दिस फीचर इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय यूजिंग विच डेटा स्ट्रक्चर? द बैक फंक्शन इन
Stack,
इंटरनल
ma'am.
ब्राउज़र. स्टैक.
Stack.
कैन वी यूज स्टैक ओनली?
We can use linked list also, ma'am.
कैन नॉट बी यूज क्यू? क्यू डेटा स्ट्रक्चर को हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते?
Name.
No, we can use queue data structure here. Just like in stack we have push and pop, एंड क्यू में भी हमारे पास एन क्यू एंड डे क्यू ऑपरेशन होते हैं वही सेम काम को करने के लिए. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी टू परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन ऑफ एन क्यू एंड डे क्यू?
Constant time complexity, ma'am. We go of 1.
Very good, very good. And can you tell me what is the time complexity to perform push and pop operation in stack?
Push and pop. Push. Constant time complexity, ma'am.
Great. Can you please tell me how many stacks are required to implement queue data structure?
2 stack required for
Very
implementing queue data structure.
Very good, well prepared. And it is mandatory to include the size of column in 2D array?
Yes, ma'am.
It is mandatory to include the size of row in 2D array?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Please
2D.
note that. In 2D array, it is mandatory to include the size of column, but it is not mandatory to include the size of row. Okay? This is asked in GATE exam in 2005. Okay? Can you
Okay.
please tell me what is the condition of empty stack?
Empty stack. If top is equal to -1, then stack is empty.
And can you please tell me what is the condition of stack having only one element?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
If a stack containing only one element, then what is the condition of that?
If the stack is contain only one element, then top is equal to 0, ma'am.
Very good. Can you please tell me, while performing NQ operation, front is incremented or rear is incremented?
Rear is incremented, ma'am.
Okay. And when Q is empty, then what is the value of front and rear?
-1.
Very good. And what is the condition when Q have only one element?
Front is equal to rear, ma'am.
Front is equal to rear is equal to what?
First element of the queue.
I mean to say that if a queue contains only one element, then what is the value of front and rear end? Like you said about empty, that it will be -1 for both. And if we insert one element in the queue, then what is the value of front and rear end?
0.
Very good, very good. Can you please tell me which data structure we use to reverse a string?
Stack data structure, ma'am.
Very good. Can you please tell me any 5 applications of a stack data structure? Any 5?
Okay. Expression evaluation, expression uh,
Extraction
conversion,
evaluation.
uh,
Okay.
bracket balancing,
Yes.
uh, back tracing, and stack DFS on graph. DFF
Okay.
on
Okay.
graph.
Okay. Can we don't say like we use stack data structure to convert in fixed expression to postfix expression?
In fix to postfix. Yes, ma'am, we can convert in fix to postfix.
And we can convert infix to prefix expression also using a stack.
Yes, ma'am, expression if conversion, I said
Can we perform job scheduling using a stack data structure?
no. We perform jobs CPU scheduling on queue data structure, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Which data structure we use for asynchronous data transfer between two
No idea,
processes?
ma'am.
Okay, no issue. We use queue data structure for this asynchronous transfer between two processes. Asynchronous means कि सेम रेट पे डेटा जिस रेट पे भेजा गया था उस रेट पे रिसीव नहीं हुआ, राइट? सो asynchronous डेटा ट्रांसफ़र के लिए वी यूज़ क्यू डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. Now the next question is कि what is the time complexity to insert element in the beginning of singly linked list?
Constant time complexity. We go of 1.
Okay. What is the time complexity to insert element in the beginning of circular linked list?
Circular link list. We go of n, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. And next question is, can you tell me any two application of priority queue?
Priority queue.
Okay. You know anything about priority queue data structure?
Priority queue is a special type of queue. Insertion happen in priority queue like simple queue, but deletion is depend on priority of element.
Okay, very good, very good. Which data structure we use to implement the operation of interrupt handling in operating system?
First comes first, sir. Queue data structure, ma'am.
Okay. Can we say that only queue data structure is enough to implement interrupt handling in operating system? Because while we working in operating system, there are so many types of interrupts. Now, which interrupt will be serviced first by the operating system? And that comes into
Depends on
priority. And that is why we use priority queue data structure here. Your answer is right, but partially. You are correct. Okay. And can you tell me which data structure we use to implement Huffman coding?
don't know, ma'am.
No issues. For Huffman code, do you know anything about Huffman coding? Have you studied algorithms?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In Huffman code is a greedy algorithm where we take only two characters which has minimum frequency. Again, we have to find out two characters which has minimum frequency. That means कि it also uses priority queue data structure. Okay, because here also we are checking the priority. So in total, what are the applications of priority queue data structure? Huffman coding, and next is to handle the interrupts of operating system. Yes, exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And can you tell me that what is the starting index of the array? Can it be -1?
No, ma'am. It can be 0 or 1.
It can be 1.
In data, in data structure, it can be any, ma'am.
It can be negative, that means.
Any negative, positive,
But in
or
array,
0.
the index always starts from 0. It always starts from 0. The indexing of array can never be negative. Okay, please remember this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Okay.
my questions are over. Thank you so much for your time,
Yeah.
and I hope the interview is quite good for you also. मेरे को आपका परफॉर्मेंस तो
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, मुझे आपका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा लगा. लाइक आपको कल ही बता था कि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का इंटरव्यू है, एंड यू वर लाइक कि यस मैम आई एम रेडी. एंड बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. एंड इसी तरीके से बिल्कुल प्रिपरेशन करते रहिए आप लोग. ओके, चलो, थैंक यू सो
Thank you,
मच.
ma'am.